today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a little thrift haul. So I've been really good. I've been trying to not spend too much money, trying to be good and conscious of what I'm buying. However, I was popping to Basildon to run some errands. I thought, you know what? I have earned a charity shop trip. I've been working non-stop. The business has really picked up, which is amazing. And working in the charity shop as well is taking up a lot of my time, and I don't really have any time to go charity shopping. And I thought, while I'm in the area, I'm going to look in them. Instead of making a special trip out to them in a couple of weeks, I thought, let's do it now while I'm here. And I had the morning, and I thought, let's treat myself to some more clothes. Obviously I am trying to be a bit more conscious of what I'm buying. A lot of this stuff I'm going to share with my mum, and a lot of it was just such good bargains. Spoiler, I am doing secondhand September with Havens Hospice. So as well, I wanted to get some stuff, so I'm ready for secondhand September to show you guys some looks with charity shop clothes. Without further ado, let's get into the haul. So the first thing actually isn't from Havens Hospice. It's the only thing that isn't. This was from Cancer Research. They were £3, and they were actually new with tags and misguided trousers. I'm just going to do up the little clasp. These are absolutely gorgeous, kind of a straight, wide-ish leg trouser. It's got a belt detail at the front, and oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. They are slightly too long, as I find every Pretty Little Thing misguided trouser. However, they're super cute, so I will be getting these hemmed up, or I might actually use the hemming tape that you can use. It's kind of just an iron-on tape, so I might actually just use that, because then it is reversible if I want to ever redonate them or whatever. But I just think these are so cute. I love this colour. Now, I would say this is a blue, but I've got a coat in this colour and people tell me it's purple, but to me this is blue. Obviously I'm not quite sure how well it's picking up on camera, but these are gorgeous. And for £3 I thought a nice work style trouser is gorgeous. I find you can dress these up and dress these down. I'd wear these casually, but also dress them up. You can wear them for dinner, drinks. I think with a white bodysuit, so maybe silver accessories, I think this will look absolutely gorgeous. They're super comfortable, and I just love these so much. And considering these are new with tags, I hate to think how much these were new, but I absolutely love these. These are the blue trousers. I'm actually going to pan you down so you can see these a little bit better. But I just think these are absolutely gorgeous. The fit is amazing. As you can see, they are a little bit long, as I find with all fast fashion trousers. Like, why do they think people are giants? But I think these are really cute. These look really professional. I feel like I could get away with these if I worked in like an office. I do not. I work from home, so it doesn't matter. But I think these are really cute. I really like them. I feel like styled with just a white top works really well in keeping that kind of still kind of an all bluey white outfit, but just, I don't know, it looked really cute and I'm really happy with them. The next thing I got was £2 from Havens Hospice. It's originally Sainsbury's too, and it's size 16, and it is just this gorgeous kind of duster long waistcoat style cardigan. I'm not sure what you call this. I've given you a very long description of words I hope mean what I'm trying to say. It has got a little belt at the back, kind of like a tie belt, so I probably wouldn't use that. I just think this would look so elegant and classy over kind of an all cream brown monochromatic outfit in the autumn winter, when you kind of want something a little bit warmer but not ready to commit to kind of a full length, shoulder, you know what I mean. I just think this is gorgeous. I love the colour of this. It's super soft, and I think it's the perfect transitional piece, even for like colder summer nights. I feel like this would be really good. And I just think, yeah, with an all monochromatic outfit, like real boss lady vibes. This gives me, I don't know why, it's literally like a knitted it's like sleeveless cardigan, but this gives me boss lady vibes. I think it's the length. It's quite long. I'd say it's kind of probably going to be down to just above my knee maybe, so I think it's like quite a long length cardigan. I just love this. I think it's so cute, and I thought I'd pick that up for £2. I love this. The outfit came together how I imagined it. I feel like this is really easy outfit, but I look so professional. Like, I really made an effort. I also look a bit like a mum on a school run, but in the best way. Like, I just think there's something about this kind of length cardigan sort of thing, I think just makes you look really professional. I don't know, it might be in my head. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But I just love this. I feel like with the right accessories as well, like ties all together, all very monochromatic. I think I could have gone for more of a creamy top rather than white, but I hope you guys kind of get the gist. But I love this, and I'm really happy I picked this up, because I must admit, like, sometimes I see things in my head and I buy them, and sometimes, in fact almost all the time, the outfit in my head works. But I feel like we all have them times where you sort of think, am I being crazy, or is that going to look nice? And I feel like this is one of them items, but I love it, and my mum has already got around this to borrow this, so very happy I picked it up. Next thing I got was originally Topshop, size 16 again. I got this in Haven's Hospice for £2. Now I do think this is missing a button or two, but it's nothing that we can't stitch on. That's why we keep lots of buttons. I find wrap dresses are gorgeous, and this is one of them, because you can kind of customise the fit where you put the button on. Obviously this would have come with buttons sewn in. There is a little hole where I think the buttons were. I think they must have come out for some unknown reason, but I need to investigate this a little bit more. But I'm just going to sew on the 2 buttons in the position I like, but that means I can kind of tailor make it to how tight I want it on my waist. I love wrap skirts, wrap dresses for this reason, is that you can customise where you put your button on this. If you want to add a button, take off a button, you know, put it wherever you want. And it's really, you can customise the fit a little bit more. I love this. I think it's gorgeous, and I love a wrap dress. It's quite a nice length, and I love it. And I think it's really cute, very flattering. You can also wear a cami underneath if they're too low for you. And I think wrap dresses are the perfect kind of classy, but still kind of cute kind of thing. I love them. So here is the wrap dress. I think this is super cute. As I said, I do need to fix kind of the button inside, but you guys can't see that because that's all inside. I think this is super, super cute. As I said, obviously with a wrap dress, I could wrap this more so it's higher neck. I could also unwrap it a little bit so it's more booby. You can also put on a cami underneath wrap dresses if you're not kind of sure, but I do definitely think they are the sort of thing that's really good if you kind of want to be able to customize, maybe if your weight fluctuates, if you bloat a lot. Like, I love the idea of a wrap dress being able to just open this out, close it as much as I like. It is actually quite full coverage on the leg, as in this kind of the wrap doesn't open, so you can't, it's not like a slit or anything. It is just above my knee, which is, as you guys know, I'm not really like a tight short dress person, but I don't mind a kind of flummy shorter dress person. I know that makes sense, I can't speak. But I think this is super, super cute. I feel like you don't really need to pair much accessories with this, just all black. I think it would look gorgeous. I think this is great because you could kind of whack tights on with this, boots and a leather jacket, and wear it in the winter. I don't know why I'm talking about winter when it's so, so hot, but I feel like I want to buy pieces I can wear all year round, and I don't really have a seasonal wardrobe unless it's like thick jumpers that I only wear in the winter. Apart from that, I kind of wear everything. But I think this is super cute, and I'm really happy I picked it up. The next thing I got was again for £2 from Haven's Hospice. I believe this is originally Asos, and it is a size 14, so I was a bit worried this would be a little bit snug, but I'm glad I took the risk on this because it does fit and it looks really cute. So again, it's £2, and I'm going to try and show you this. I'm not quite sure how well I'm going to show it to you off because it is one of the things I think you need to put on really. So it ties up in the back, and you have got a little cutout at the back, and you've got a little zip, but it's just this gorgeous little jumpsuit. I love kind of the detail over the boobs. I do think the boob bit where the undercups will probably sit halfway up my boob, but that's fine. I think it's really cute. It's got little sleeves, so it's quite actually modest, and I just think this is so cute. It's very, very flattering. I think this is a good kind of transitional piece. You could wear this evening into night. I think you could dress this down in the day with some trainers, maybe a denim jacket, but then you could dress this up in the evening with some, you know, heels, maybe some gold accessories. Like, I think it's a really versatile piece, and it ties up with 2 little ties at the top and then a little zip in the back to get you into it. And I thought this was super cute, so I took a little risk on that one. So I actually can only tie one of the ties up by myself. I can't reach to do that one. Obviously my bra does show a little bit in the back, but to be honest, I don't really care about that sort of thing. I think this is so flattering. There's something about it being really, really tight on my waist. Looks really cute. As predicted, the under boob bit does sit still on my boob. As standard, I feel like with any top that has like a designated boob area, although it's not too bad, and to be honest, if I pull it down, it's actually fine. If I'm looking up, I'm looking in the mirror. But I just think this is really pretty. I feel like this is something I could dress up and dress down, but I'd probably wear this more casually. Probably wear it with trainers, denim jacket, you know, a little tote bag, and I'm ready to go. It's really comfortable. It is a little bit snug on the arms, which not in an uncomfortable way, but in a way that I think would make me quite hot. But I don't know if I'm just saying it at the moment because it is generally hot out and I'm quite sweaty at the moment at all times. So I think this is really cute, really flattering, and I'm really happy I took the risk on this because this is a size 14. But as you guys know, when I shop in charity shops, I kind of ignore the sizes. If I'm in the ballpark of a 16, I'll try it, because I feel like 14s, 16s, 18s, even like 20s, they quite often do fit me. So I kind of just ignore sizes when I go in charity shops, as long as it's in the ballpark of my size. I'm mainly focused on material kind of fit. This one was a risk because obviously I knew it was meant to be a bit tight, but I actually think it works. Also, it looks a little bit snug on my legs. I have got chop rob shorts on, or cycling shorts, because I was wearing them and couldn't bother to take them off. But I think it's really cute and I'm really happy I picked it up. Next thing I got, again, £2 from Haven's Hospice, and it's just this floaty summer dress. Now this is not the most fancily made outfit. In fact, looks quite cheaply made. However, this is the thing you want on that boiling hot day where every single piece of clothing is making you feel sweaty, because this just hangs from your boobs just hangs. And this is what you want on them really, really sticky summer days we've been having. This is a little bit long for my liking, so I potentially wear this with a belt, but to be honest, I think this is going to be an in the house dress, running errands dress, not kind of trying to look too put together, but it's just a nice thing to throw on and kind of look a bit like you made an effort because it's a dress. I love the colours on this. It's super, super summery. I reckon my mum will be pinching this one, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I just love the colours, and for £2, even if it is a dress that I wear on when I'm really hot, this is perfect. It is the shift dress, as you guys can see. It is like just super baggy, kind of does just hang off you, but this is the sort of thing I want when it's so hot, on days where it's boiling and you literally don't want any piece of clothing sticking to your skin. These are the sort of dresses I go for. I've got a yellow River Island one, which I've worn before, which you guys would have seen, and I also just got a red one, which is in like my most recent haul, which is the exact same dress as the yellow one but in red. And I just think that dress I go towards all the time when it's really hot, and I feel like this will be another one. It's actually just below my knees, so it's a little bit long for how I normally wear these dresses. However, I just think this means it's so practical. You don't really have to worry about, you know, it blowing up or anything, and this is just airy. It just feels like I'm wearing no clothes. And I know some of you who get hot will understand the need for clothes like that when it gets really hot. So although this isn't the most flattering, I'd say, I think if it was a little bit shorter, it may be. I could whack a belt on with this and make it a little bit more flattering if I wanted to, but to be honest, this is the sort of dress I would chuck on when I'm so hot. Don't really care what I look like, I just want to be cool. I still think the colours are really pretty. Obviously I would wear a white bra, and it is kind of low at the side, so obviously you would be able to see that, but I don't really care about that, to be honest. But I think it's super cute, and it's really floaty and nice, and it's pretty, but it's really airy, and I love that. Last thing, we are ending on somewhat of a fail, but not really, because it is just one of them things with sizes. So this top actually didn't have a size. They put XL on there, and obviously that could mean a bunch of things. So this was marked for £2. In fact, actually originally it was marked for 75p, and they've crossed that out and marked it for £2. And then when I got to the till, she went, I'm not charging you £2 for that, you can have it for £1. And basically it is just this brown vest, kind of cami style top. Now, I brought this because I thought it was a little bit shiny, and I thought I could get away with wearing this with like a black leather skirt, black jeans, my black smart trousers, and I think I could style this up in a really cute way. I just saw the colour and saw kind of the material and the sheen to this and thought I could style this really nice. However, it is a little bit gapey on the sides, and it probably is a bit too big for me, but my mum is going to wear it. But if not, I'm thinking I might try and do like a hack on this, and kind of, I've seen ones where you kind of twist it, cut it in certain places and make it into like a really, really cute, nice fitting top. And I just love the colour and the material of this. I really, really do want to make this work because I think it's gorgeous. I might also play around with kind of the length of the straps, because that could solve my problem. It's something I'm definitely going to play around with, but for £1 for a gorgeous, gorgeous top, even if I do wear it kind of twisted, tied in a certain way, I really would like to try and wear this. And if not, my mum wants it, so I've always got a home there. So as you can see, this top is a little bit baggy. It just kind of gapes here. However, I think either tied like that, I also tried kind of tucking it into the bra. I don't know, there's different ways you can tuck tops. I see it all the time on TikTok. So I think if I tuck this in a certain way, this could look really, really cute as kind of an evening top. I feel like it's something I just want to play around with. I just love the fabric, and I feel like, yes, although it is baggy at the sides, it isn't anything too bad that I couldn't kind of work with, whether tucking it in my bra, twisting it around, tying it. I think there's multiple things I could do to this to make it work, and I just love the fabric of this. I love how loose it is actually in terms of the bottom, because I feel like it just gives me more room to play around with it. And I wanted it to sit baggy because I wanted to be able to like wear a nice push-up bra and, you know, have it like drape down nicely. I don't know, something about this top, I want to give it a shot. I know it is gaping at the sides, but I love the fabric, and I know it's literally £1, but I'm determined to make this one work. So that's everything I picked up today in the charity shops. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what your favourite item was down below, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.